So today I'm going to be going over the types of pages every website needs to have, and just from an SEO perspective and user experience to help optimize conversions and make your website more complete. So the first page every site should have is an About Us page. It lets the users know about the company, what the different values are, when it was established. You want to add information like that on there for the users. Now, next page you want to go over is the Contact Us page. You want to have a way for a user to go out there and contact you. So make sure you build out a form on that page. If you're a local business, make sure to put your hours, a Google Map on that page along with your NAP information. And then once you have that all built out, you can set up goals in Google Analytics so you can start tracking the different conversions you get through that page. The next one I see less frequently is an FAQ page. So whenever someone's going to a website or business, people always have questions. You should have at least like a list of questions that customers or clients always ask you. So building out that FAQ page will really help with that. And also, plus that new FAQ schema is pretty sick to add on there. The next one I've just recently started adding to sites that I work with is a press page. So your different websites or businesses that you work with should be in the press every once in a while, whether it's a local newspaper or chamber of commerce or whatever it is, right? Doing a charity event, anything, right? Build out a press page, link out to those different events and stuff like that. Users are going to go check that out and see, oh, this business is working with the local community or is well known. So it really helps out, building out your brand. The next one would be a testimonials and reviews page. You should be having testimonials and reviews on your individual products or services, but also having a page itself really helps out with that. And it just helps the user or the potential customer know that, hey, this brand is actually really good. Check out some of the different testimonials or reviews that we have with that. And finally, we want to go over the terms of service and privacy policy pages, which I call legal pages. It's better just to have these on the site, just so you don't get sued. And then on top of that, just to let the users know that, hey, you're collecting data, either you're running like Facebook ads or whatever you are doing with the website, just make sure you have that listed in the terms of service, whether it's cookies and stuff like that as well. But yeah, these are the main pages I don't see all the time on websites. I know I see About Us and Contact Us pretty frequently, but there is sites that don't have those. I'd say more likely it's the FAQ, press page, testimonials, and terms of service that I don't see. And then as a added bonus, you can add schema to the About page, Contact page, FAQ, and then your reviews page. And yeah, that'll really help out with your website. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and then check down the description down below for any important links. Until next time.